Time for another Dollar Tree food review. Mr. Michelina's beef and peppers. Bell pepper sauce with rice and seasoned beef patty. Flavor you crave, value you love. 8 ounces. Our promise to you: we make our authentic recipes with care, using only the finest ingredients. We promise that you will feel nourished, nurtured, and just plain good after having Miss Michelina's. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do this in the microwave. Okay, it says lift cover of lid to vent. Do not fully remove lid. Microwave high for 3 minutes. Open lid, store rice and sauce separately, recover, then continue to cook on high for an additional 1 to 1.5 minutes. So go ahead, get a corner open. Now, I had this in the freezer for about a month, so I wanted to see how it would hold up. Okay, that's what it looks like before it puts it in the microwave. So I'm going to go ahead and stick it in the microwave. I'll be right back. Okay, after a quick trip in the microwave, our food's ready to eat. Let's go ahead and open it up. Try to make it look like the picture as much as possible. It does have a nice tomato sauce smell to it. There's the picture, there's the real thing. Picture, real thing. I don't think it looks anything like it. Let's go ahead and give the rice a taste. The rice doesn't taste bad. It just has a real chewy taste, like almost a gum taste. I think this is a green bean. No, that was a pepper. It does have a little bit of a kick to it. Let's just try a piece of meat by itself. It doesn't have a real beefy taste to it. And it doesn't really have a lot of beef in it, in my opinion. Let's go ahead, try to get a little bit of everything. If it wasn't for that gummy texture of the rice, this actually would be pretty good. So with that said, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. I'd go out and give it a try, see what you think. Just don't ever expect too much because of that texture. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.